I discovered a tool that will make your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok advert sharp like scissors. Say thank you, Deborah, in the comment section because it's about to be late. If you have been running adverts blindfolded, you are not sure what you are doing, but you are just struggling to work, Pipi Ads is what you need. And if you have a particular product with the image, let's say you are selling this comb, all you need to do is to upload this picture on Pipi Ads, and you are going to see every advert that is being run on this product. So you can get the winning advert and just replicate it. Easy peasy, right? Pipi Ads also has the AI video script generator. You get script, story, hook, body, and everything in it for your advert right there. I'll be showing you the practical aspect right now. Let's jump right in. First thing you have to do is go to Pipi login on your Chrome, or even just click on the link in the comment on YouTube. I'm going to put a link there. You can sign up there and get 20% off how much you are meant to pay to use Pipi Ads. After signing up for Pipi Ads, this is how your home page is meant to look like. With Pipi Ads, you can use this tool to run a better TikTok advert, a better Facebook advert. You can see a part saying TikTok, Facebook, dropshipping. You can see Facebook. Before you even go there, scroll down and look for your country or region. So you can click on search for your country. I'm a Nigerian, as you know. I'll click on Nigeria and apply. Right, so do I want to run adverts for TikTok or Facebook? There's this particular place where you can see advert keyword. Right here, you can put keyword for the kind of advert that you want to run. So right here, you can search any advert keyword, landing page, or put URL. Let's assume I want to search for an advert content with an image. This place where you can see search by any ad keyword, landing page, or blah blah blah. Click on the camera, look for the image. For this, I want to check with this watch organizer. So I'll give it some minutes for it to load. Go through the internet and look for different things that looks like it and give me the kind of advert they run. Now this is the content of a particular watch organizer. And you see, this is a watch organizer. They put a watch in there, showed different sides of it. Now that was a sample of an advert being run with a watch organizer. So I could take a closer look at the things that they did. What did they do? They did not promote that watch organizer as empty. If you look at the content that I gave Pipi Ads, it was an empty watch organizer. It looked for a content where it already has watch. So that is an idea of how to sell that particular product for me. Let's take a look at this powerful analytics that you can get with Pipi Ads. After watching a particular ad content, it can show you how much money was spent on the advert, what year the advert was run. If an advert is not performing well, no one is going to spend big money on it. Now take a look at this. This person spent $402 on the advert. This is what the conversion was like. This is the like rate. It ran for 133 days. This is the impression. It was a TikTok post. Can you say TikTok post? This kind of information can help you know the kind of advert content to replicate. Instead of wasting your money, you can know the right thing to do, or even have options of the first 6, 7, 8, 9 content to try out with your adverts. If you like to try out Pipi Advert tool, I'm going to be adding a link in the comment section and description box. With this link, you'll be getting 20% off the normal price you are meant to pay if you sign up with my link. So right now I'll be uploading this gift box so I can get ideas of gift box adverts. So quickly, I would like to show you this about Pipi Ads. The interface on mobile is different from the interface you have on your computer if you are using your laptop. I am presently using a phone. That's why if I come to this 3 dotted line, I will see this as the option. However, if I want to change the interface, I'll click here, click on desktop sites. Once I do this, the interface would be what you'd see if you are using a computer. In case you see a change in the kind of interface where I am doing this tutorial, the difference is one is computer, one is phone. I used my phone all through. I only changed the interface to desktop sites while using my phone, okay? Another good thing about Pipi Ads is the fact that you can see advert directly from a platform, TikTok, Facebook, or any platform. Now, if we click on Facebook right here, we can now put, these are watches that adverts are being run on Facebook. Earlier, I came to keyword to insert what I wanted to see. So I put wristwatch. So let's do that again. Input it, and clicking on Facebook, I'm going to be seeing ad library in Facebook. I to click on any of these depending on the kind of engagement you see. This particular one has 157k likes, right? Let's click on it. This is a picture advert, and we can see analytics for TikTok ads right here. And you see, you can check out more things on it. You can also come and see the kind of adverts being run on Facebook for the same products. Can you see, this is a video advert being run on Facebook for the same product. Can you see? You can come here to see, I hope I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. You can come here to see adverts being run on TikTok for the same content, for the same products, I mean. And you can as well see the others. Can you see this one, estimated others, the ad cost, impression days? Fantastic. Moving on, if you are struggling with running TikTok adverts that brings you sales from time to time, I have a TikTok ad course that you're going to find helpful. It breaks down everything you need to know to help you sell on TikTok daily. Send me a DM on Instagram to get into the course. It costs 35,000 naira, but presently discounted and selling for 25,000 naira. Next is AI video script generator. You would really find this helpful. Click on this three dotted line in the upper part of this video. Can you see that three dashboard? Click there. Then you click on AI tools. Right here, a lot of helpful things for you. Let's start with the video generator. You can come here. You can see this video tracking generator like your content assistant. You could use a link, you could upload your video. Now, how does this work? For this particular one, you can select your language preference. If you want this video to be transcribed from maybe English to France or whatnot, if it's English to English, put it there. I'll be sticking with English, and I'll put generate. This is a breakdown of what is in the video. From the brief to the hook to the principle to the advantage, everything is. This says this video advertises a customized bracelet and pendant set. The visual style is simple, focusing on the product. Can you see? The hook is, this is a combo you cannot go wrong with. So these are things that, if you see a video on your competitor's page, you can bring it here to analyze it. You put your own touch, then you use it. Okay, very helpful. It's going to break it down for you. Everything you need to know. Now, let me look for the video and play for you. So you could see that you did an amazing job breaking it down. In this case, these two combo, bracelet and pendant customization, you can never go wrong with it. Yes, it is unisex. You're welcome. So this helps you write amazing script, storyboard, with the hook, the principle, you know what to do better and all that good stuff. Another thing I would like to highlight, see, if you are not using Pipi Ads as a business owner, content creator, you are losing money. Honestly, open your eyes to is the video text translator and the video speech translator. You see it directly under this AI tool. This can translate videos for you when you do not understand what the person is saying. Even if you see a content done in another country and you want to replicate it to also, push your product, your service, or even as a content creator. This is English, right? Let's translate to French. Can you see French? Now starts. You need quite a lot of patience for this, and it's going to take some time to load. So because of time, I will not be able to show you the results. But the steps are very simple. Another feature you may want to explore is the video text translator. You upload a video with the text on it. Pipi Ads would remove the text and give you a plain video or picture. Let's talk about the Facebook ad library feature. Of course, you click on this dashboard up here. Click on ad library. So right here you can see different ad library, and all you have to do is to search anything I like to say. Let's use wristwatch. Yeah, I'll see different libraries of wristwatches. Can you see different pictures? Click on this particular one. and I'll see different information, add link, platform they are running the advert. This particular content is being run on Facebook. Can you see? Facebook dot, this ad is on Facebook. This is the page ad library. He has 63 ad sets. That is a lot. The platform they are using for this is Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. The format of this particular advert content is a carousel. Platform, their website is on Shopify. Every information you need is right here. The advert is currently inactive, but they have run the advert before. Please like this video as it goes a long way in telling the algorithm this is a very good content. Comment thank you Deborah, I got value in the comment section because I know you would get value. So get 20% of your subscription fee. Subscribe with my affiliate link. I will link it in the description box. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll definitely respond to you. I have this video where I spoke about how to run TikTok advert that converts into sale. Just click here, watch and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye guys.